Essentially, the IAC is there to represent the school to you, the alumni community, and in the other direction to represent the alumni community to the school. Our mission is to work in partnership with the school, and we do that by creating and growing a mutually beneficial relationship of networks, if you like, between our students, the faculty, staff of the school and our alumni.
So what does this mean? It means that we, the Council of 25 alumni from across the world, act as a bridge between the alumni and the school.
We are passionate advocates of your interests as alumni, and we ensure that the school is aware of your requirements and what is of interest to you.
Part of what we do is about working with the school to enhance and develop the services and the programs that are available for alumni. And we do also raise awareness of the need for financial support. In fact, 100% of the council do give in each year.
Let me share with you some very practical examples on how the IAC supports the school. Every year, as a council, we spend more than 800 hours interviewing students, introducing guest speakers, and participating at events.
The chair of the IAC sits as an ex officio member of the governing body, and in 2016 that involved being on the panel searching for the new dean, and which selected Francois. Every year the council flies in from their bases all around the world and meets here at LBS. At these meetings we work with the dean and advancement on strategic and planning issues for the future.
Outside of the March strategic meeting, we participate in our quarterly conference calls, we work on a special project, and we progress our personal commitments.
There's examples of some current and recent working groups that have been happening. Recently working in North America, for example, to improve the overall rate of contribution we see there. Working on behalf of the alumni community to try and make sure that the range of benefits that exist are better communicated and understood, and being involved in the school's digital strategy and the launch of the LBS Hub.
One of the greatest benefits of the IAC for the alumni community is to serve that community and help the school lead the way.
To find out more about what we do, then contact us at iac@london.edu.